Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start at the top center of the windshield. That gives you control of streaks and runoff. Wet the glass with a spray of soapy water, mild detergent in 4L bucket, then let it loosen grime for 30-60 seconds. Use a soft brush or microfiber to break tar and bug residue, moving horizontally. This prevents scratching. Once the surface is wet and loosened, make a single top-to-bottom pass with the squeegee to pull most dirt toward the lower edge. Once done with the initial pass, work in 2 to 3 foot sections so you can control drying and inspect for spots. Spray glass cleaner or a 1/2 diluted isopropyl mix on remaining marks. Scrub with a microfiber in circular motions to lift residue. Make sure you clean the rubber seals and corners with a small brush. Debris hides there. Then squeegee each section top to bottom, wiping the blade after each stroke to avoid redepositing grime. This prevents streaks. You finish by drying and polishing with a clean, dry microfiber cloth using overlapping S-strokes. That smooths remaining film and lifts tiny streaks. Once polished, step back and inspect the windshield from both outside and inside at different angles. Light will reveal missed areas. If you still see residue, re-clean that spot with 70% alcohol, then polish again. And if streaking continues, check the squeegee blade for nicks. Replace it. Worn blades cause most final streaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.